Hey guys, welcome back to another Leetcode video. Today we're going to be looking at Leetcode 387, first unique character in a string. We're told that we're given a string S and we need to find the first non-repeating character in it and return its index. If it does not exist, then we have to return -1. So in this example, we've got the string is Leetcode and the output is 0 because the first index 0, the first character of the first index 0, L only repeats once, so it's the first non-repeating character, i.e. it only repeats once, or the frequency of how often it appears is once. And then in this example we're given 2, so v only occurs once in the string, so we return its index, which is 2. And in this example, in neither of A or B return only once, so we return -1. We're given some constraints as well. So let's code this up using a hash map to first store the count of basically all our characters as well as how often they occur. Then we'll say for I in range of length of our string, if the frequency of the current character that we're at is equal to 1, then we just return I, because now we've found the first non-repeating character. Otherwise, we return -1 if our for loop finishes, which means we haven't found any non-repeating character. So let's run our code. Now let's submit our code, and we pass all 107 test cases. So in terms of time complexity, we're looking at a single pass, so it's going to be O of n. Time complexity and space complexity will be constant O of 1 space complexity, since we're using a hash map which is bounded by only by the alphabet, so it's just a constant space. So I hope this video made sense, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.